The NASH Tackle Heated Blanket. The NASH Tackle Heated Blanket is a great option for anglers who want to stay warm while fishing in cold weather. It is lightweight, compact, and easy to use. It has 3 heat settings so you can find the perfect level of warmth for you. It is powered by a battery pack that can last for up to 12 hours on the lowest heat setting. It is also made from durable materials that can withstand the elements. It is water resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet if you are fishing in the rain. However, it is a bit expensive, and it may not be suitable for all weather conditions. The EVO REPEL. The EVO REPEL is a 3-in-1 cordless outdoor mosquito repeller lantern that is currently being crowdfunded on Kickstarter. It features a built-in 14,400 mAh battery, 2x repellent effects, 50s fast heating, power bank, 10 to 30 foot protection zone, and 3000 lumens lantern. The EVO REPEL uses a combination of ultrasonic waves and LED light to repel mosquitoes. The ultrasonic waves are inaudible to humans, but they are very effective at repelling mosquitoes. The LED light also helps to repel mosquitoes, as they are attracted to the light. The EVO REPEL has a protection zone of up to 10 to 30 feet, so you can be sure that you will be protected from mosquitoes even if you are in a large area. The lantern also has a power bank function, so you can use it to charge your devices while you are outdoors. GIGA Mattress and Tent. The GIGA is a self-inflating tent that is designed to be easy to set up and take down. It is made from durable materials and has a rainfly to protect you from the elements. The GIGA is also relatively lightweight, making it a good option for backpacking and camping. The GIGA tent inflates automatically with the help of a built-in battery-powered pump. This makes it very easy to set up, even in windy or wet conditions. The GIGA tent is made from a durable TPU fabric that is resistant to tears and punctures. It also has a PU 5000 mm waterproof rating, so you can be sure that you will stay dry inside the tent, even in heavy rain. The GIGA tent weighs just 3.6 kilograms, making it a good option for backpacking and camping. The GIGA tent has a spacious interior that can comfortably accommodate 2 adults and 2 small children. The GIGA tent can be used for a variety of activities, including camping, backpacking, hiking, and even car camping. The GIGA is a great option for campers and backpackers who are looking for a lightweight, easy to set up, and durable tent. It is also a good value for the price, as long as you are not planning on using it in extreme weather conditions. The HIKERPOWER. The HIKERPOWER is a portable solar charger that is inspired by a DSLR camera hardshell case. It is designed to be durable and protective, and it can be used to charge a variety of devices, including smartphones, laptops, and cameras. The HIKERPOWER has a built-in battery that can store up to 20,000 mAh of power, and it can be recharged via solar panels or a power outlet. The HIKERPOWER also has a number of other features, such as a built-in flashlight, a USB-C port, and a 12V car port. The HIKERPOWER is a great option for hikers and backpackers who need to keep their devices charged while on the go. It is also a good value for the price, making it a great option for budget-minded hikers. Ecto. Aaron Carmack, founder of Ecto, created innovative cooling chairs and chair covers after noticing a market gap. Inspired by his mother's need for comfort during her illness, he collaborated with experts to develop Ecto's flagship products, the Ecto chair and topper. These feature the Arctica cooling system for quick cooling and are easily portable. The chairs use a quiet pump and thermal lines to circulate cold water from a cooler, while the power bank offers extended cooling and device charging. Users praise the refreshing experience, making Ecto products versatile for outdoor activities and sports. Campstream One. Campstream One is a product that allows you to use your Tesla or Rivian electric vehicle's HVAC system to cool or heat your tent. It does this by connecting to the vehicle's 12V power outlet and using a hose to transfer air from the vehicle's cabin to the tent. Campstream One is designed to be easy to set up and use, and it can be used with any tent that has a rainfly. Campstream One is a great option for campers who want to stay comfortable in their tent even in hot or cold weather. It is also a good option for campers who want to save energy, as it uses the vehicle's HVAC system instead of a separate generator.